Hey, what's going on guys, Sandeep here, and if you want to connect your Android smartphone to Windows PC, then you can easily do it using PhoneLink. You just have to search for PhoneLink and you will get this app. If it is not there, you have to download it from the Windows Store. Simply go to Windows Store and search for PhoneLink. Find the app and install it. If you see an update option, do it. However, if you are on the latest Windows 11, the PhoneLink app would be already installed to the latest version. Anyhow, you have to download PhoneLink app. Once installed, you need to open the PhoneLink app. Now make sure you have turned on the Bluetooth on your phone as well as on your computer. Now you have to select whether you have Android phone or iPhone. I have tried iPhone but the connection never completed. It is quite buggy, so I will try to connect the Android smartphone. Now you can visit this link on your Android smartphone, but there is another option. You can simply download the PhoneLink app on your Android device. Open the Play Store and search for PhoneLink and install Link to Windows app. Once it is installed, you have to provide some necessary permissions. Tap on link your phone and PC and then continue. Now allow the necessary permission. Now go to your PC and click on pair with QR code. It will generate a QR code. You have to scan it using your Android smartphone. And then it will connect your smartphone to the PC. The connection might take some time. You just have to wait and follow the on-screen instructions. Allow the necessary permissions as asked. Now the phone is linked to the PC. Make sure you are using a Wi-Fi on both devices for a stable connection. Now you will be able to check your messages, photos and make a call using your Windows PC. If you want to get all the phone's notification on your PC, then you have to allow link to Windows app to access your notifications. You can simply click on open notifications and then tap on this option on your Android smartphone and select the link to Windows app and allow notification access. Now you will be able to see and manage all the phone's notifications on your PC. Another way to get distracted. Anyway, you can also make calls using your PC. You just have to set up it for the first time. Now just follow the on-screen instructions and pair your smartphone with the PC. Allow the necessary permissions as asked. And then you will get a dialer to make calls. Now whenever you are making any calls, select your PC from the list of Bluetooth devices while making calls to get all the audios. In the messages options, you will find all your text SMS. Go to photos to find your photos on the phone. And you can also download those photos to your PC. Just open any photo you want to download and click on save as and download it on your PC. If you go to settings, there are some general settings. You can allow the app to run on startup or not. Connection optimizations to optimize connections. And open the PhoneLink when you sign in to automatically connect. You can also connect more than one devices using PhoneLink. There are some features to turn on or off as per your preferences. Some personalizations options and that's it. So this is how you can link your Android smartphone to Windows 10 or Windows 11 to simplify your task. And that's all for this video guys. Hope this helped. If so, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe. Also press the bell icon to get notified about new videos and I will see you in my next one.